So we are going to discuss on arrays in this session. So what is an array? Array is a collection of similar types of data. So for what is the need of creating an array? So if we are taking variable a and we are assigning value with 10, and then we are taking variable b and assigning value 20, assigning value 30 to another variable c, we are assigning value 40 to another variable d. Now here, every time we are taking a variable and assigning new value, instead of that we can mm, create something like this is called an array, and we are writing as number, and we are writing same. We can keep values 10, 20, 30, 40. So here the values are changing, for the values are changing 10, 20, 30. So instead of keeping separate variables for all the values, we can keep a single variable, and in that we can keep the all the values 10, 20, 30. So we can iterate this array and use this variable, this variable, this variable, and this variable. So array syntax, I'm going to write it here. So I will keep another variable here. This is the array syntax. So there are three syntaxes for array. So I will keep that in comments. So data type, array name, then another syntax is data type array name, then another syntax is data type array name, so here we have used this syntax. So we can also use this syntax. So let me write it here once. You can see like num2, num2, so this is also another syntax, that is this one, and we can also write it like int num3 equal to so these are the three syntaxes for single dimension arrays. So I will keep something like 1, 2 and 3. Just give me a second. I will keep in the same order as I have written in the top. So let me take number 1, number 2, number 3. Yeah, so these are the three syntaxes for writing an array. So we have covered all the three here. So let me check again. Data type, array name, data type, square braces, array name, data type, array name, square braces. So the square braces indicate that array. So by keeping this beside the variable name, we indicate that we are storing multiple values in this variable. So if you consider this one, for example, here we are assigning value to this variable, but once you keep this square braces, it means that we are able to assign multiple values to this variable, and that is an array, and this is the syntax for the same. So now here we are writing another method. Instead of giving directly the values, we can assign in the every index one value. So I will write another method here, num4 equal to new space int of 4, then num4 of 0 equal to 1, num4 of 0 of 1 equal to 20. So let me take same values 10. So here we are saying that this array size is 4. So size is counted like 1, 2, 3, 4. We are saying that the array size is 4, and we are keeping the value in the 0 place. In this place we are keeping, and the value as 10. So this is 0 is the index. So in index 0 we are keeping the value 10. In the index 1 we are keeping the value 20, and similarly in index 2 we are keeping value 30. Index 4 we are keeping value 40. See, I am keeping the values. So instead of giving the values directly, we can give the size like this, and then we can keep the values of individual index again. So for the index will start with 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this index value is 3. So the size of the array is 4. Because the size of array is 4, the indices will start with 0. Okay, let me show this in the diagram so that it will be clear. So now I'm saying that the this is the array, and there are 4 values in this. So as per this, there are 4 values, num4. So num4, this array is num4, and it is having the 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it is having 4 values. So we have kept value 10, 20, 30, and 40. So in this array, this is the index. 0 is the index. This is the index 1, index 2, index 3. So we are storing the values 20 here, 30 here, 40 here. So whenever we take any array, the index will start with 0, and we let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, and we are keeping the values in the index 0 as 10, index 1 as 20, index 2 as 30, index 3 as 40, and then let's see, we are going to check the size. So the size of the array we are going to count like 1, 2, 3, 4. The size of the array is 4, whereas the index will start with 0 up to 2, 1, 2 and 3. So I have kept the values in indexes 0, 1, 2, 3. Now accessing the array variables. Let's go to accessing the array variables. So just let's print, we are accessing all this variable value, so let's print num4 of 0, num4 of 1, num4 of 2, num4 of 3. So 1 minute, I will keep those here, then 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's print these values. See, here it is clearly printing the value of num4 of 0 is 10, num4 of 1 is 20, num4 of 2 is 30, num4 of 3 is 40. So we are accessing the array variables here like this. But instead of writing so many statements, we can keep this in for loop and access the array. So we can, for that we can just keep as for of and int I equal to 0, I is less than num4 dot size, sorry, we have length here, length method, and then plus plus, and let's print the value num4 of I. So let me comment this. Okay, let it be. Then let's print this also. So see, this is the output of this array. So we are printing the values, accessing the array variable values here. Now let's go to multi-dimension array. Similarly, we can declare multi-dimensional arrays. So let me write here 3 and 4. So this multi-dimension array, let me show in the paint. So first I will take 3 because they are saying 3. I'm taking 3 arrays, so 3 rows, 1 2 3, 3 rows, and then I'm saying inside that we are having another array with 4 values, so we have to go like 1. So inside this we are having 4 values. So this array, we are going to assign values in this. So let me take math random function and generate the values and keep those values in all of this and print all of these values. So for that I'm taking for loop. So here we are having rows and columns. For that I am writing two for loops. So let's take I variable I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus int j equal to 0, j is less than 4, j plus plus. Just I will write okay. Let me first print the values in the array, then I will assign the values in that and print them. So see, now we are having 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So it means that it first goes to this row of array. It goes to this row of array. It goes to this, sorry, okay, so it goes to this array and then it prints this 0 0 0 0. Then it goes to this row of array and it prints 0 0 0 0. Then again it iterates the I loop, that is I of 2, that is this one, and it prints j of 1, j of 2, j of 3, j of 4, 0, j of 0, 0 of 1, j of 2, 0 of 3. So it prints four zeros, then again four zeros, and then again four zeros. So see, you can see that here. See, so because there are no values in this array, we are just initializing the array and we are just printing them. That's why it's printing all the zeros. Now let's assign some random values and print all the values in that. So I will take another, I will copy the same thing and just keep it, and I will assign some value in the this one and print them. First I will take math dot random. So this will give some random value, point 1, point 2, like that. Then I will multiply with 10 and then let me convert this into integer. Because this will generate all the double values, point 20, point 30, like that. That's why I'm keeping int to convert to int. Okay, there is some mistake. Okay, so fine. Now so let me print this once. check that. Yeah, so it has assigned the random values in the array. That is, the first row has 8 1 2 2, 8 1 2 2, and the second uh, row has an array and it has values 1 6 5 4, 1 6 5 4, and then the third array, that is third row, has again an array and it has values 3 1 8 9, 3 1 8 9. So let me print this again. So it will print the again another random values. So see here, so it's printing the random values. So there is a function in Java called math, and this math class, and in that there is a function uh, dot random. So using this random method in this math class, we can generate some random values. So I am assigning all those values in this array and printing them. Okay, then next topic is 3D array. So let me take sorry, number, another variable number 6, and I will take three arrays, three-dimensional arrays, and then I will keep new space int of 3 of 4 of 5. It means that just go here. Here it says that it has 3 3 and then 4 and then 5. So let's come here. So here it says that in the three arrays, this is an array 1 2 3. So this is the 3 3, and then we are kept keeping another array inside every uh, individual value of this array. So in every individual value of this array, we are keeping another array that is having 4 length. In this I'm having another array having length 4. In this I'm having another array having length 4. So now I'm keeping another array which is having length 5. So this is the three-dimensional array. Sorry, there is some disturbance at my end, that's why I have paused the video. So let's continue the video. So 3D dimension array is done. So let's go with drawbacks of array. So because the size is fixed in arrays, and if you want to add multiple values again in the same array, then it's not possible. So we need to go with collections that time. That's why we are going with collections in the next topic, I mean like in the next videos. So but the arrays are also useful, like it has its own advantages. Like when we have fixed size, then we can use arrays. Fixed size, then we can go with arrays. If we want to add the variables in the array again, then we need to go with the collections. And what if here we have the values of similar data types? So if you want to go with multiple data types in the single array, then we have to go with the collection topic. So that's it. Guys, thank you. If you like the video, please like and share the video. Thank you.